Gotten some questions from a few people about the gradebook and kind of how that looks and what everything means. And so I just wanted to do a little video to make sure everybody is super clear on how everything works. So what I did is I just copied some assignments from the gradebook to look at here. And so what you'll see is these bottom three assignments right here say chapter one practice, chapter one practice, chapter one practice, chapter one practice. So anything that says practice in the gradebook will essentially be from Khan Academy. So that's going to be everything that you complete from Khan Academy. And keep in mind, you can do that as many times as you want. So if you're going through a practice assignment in Khan Academy and you don't perform very well, go back and do it again. Okay, also, I do not grade those until you complete the unit assessments. And that's because, let's say you scored a 40% the first time, I don't want to put that in the gradebook if you're going to go back and do it again and get a higher score before doing the assessment. In fact, that's what I would really like you guys to do. So once you guys have completed all of the practice assignments, which are in Khan Academy, then you will move on and then you will take the assessment. Now, the assessment is one test. However, I will break that down in the gradebook by topic. So everything that says chapter one assessment, like chapter one assessment, multiply binomials, chapter one assessment, anything that says assessment is all from the one unit test, that unit assessment. And I break it down into topics so you can see exactly how you performed on each specific topic. Okay, so rather than just saying, okay, you got an 80% on unit one, well, instead you can see, well, how did I do on multiplying binomials? How did I do on polynomial arithmetic? How did I do on each topic? And then you're able to see that. Okay, and then also if you checked the announcements, I did just post some information on opportunities to redo some of these assessments and how to go about doing that. So make sure you guys check that out. Okay, also let's go ahead and go back into Canvas here. And I'm in Math 3. I'm just going to go to some modules here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Unit 1. So every module will be set up the same way. So here's my Unit 1 work. And I'm going to click through everything in here. And we're going to go through navigating this in a second too. There is a previous video I made a few weeks ago and put in the announcements, but I'll cover that again in a minute. But the main thing I want to show you guys right now is that there will be a module that has all of the work and videos and practice all together. That's all this stuff right here. After you complete that, after you're feeling confident, after you've recompleted any assignments that you are low in and you feel like you know everything in that unit, then you move on and it will say Unit 1 assessment. Now you could take that assessment. Okay, so we'll see similarly, here's my Unit 2. All of these things are my practice. This is all my learning. This is where I'm going to watch, I'm going to take notes, I'm going to do the practice assignments, which I can repeat and do over if I do poorly on or if I just want more practice. Once I'm totally set in Unit 2, then and only then do I move on to the Unit 2 assessments. Okay, now I'm ready to display my knowledge. Okay, so that's how that works. And again, if this is the Unit 2 assessment, then that's where all of the grades will come from that say assessments. Now, see how there's multiple things that start with assessment. That's chapter 1 assessment, chapter 1 assessment, chapter 1 assessment. That's because with this Unit 2 assessment that you take, I break it down into categories into the gradebook so you can see exactly how you did in each particular topic. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is already covered in a previous announcement a few weeks back. So hopefully most of you guys remember that and watched it. But I think some people are still having trouble navigating the course. So let's go ahead and let's say we're just starting Unit 2. I completed everything in Unit 1, but I'm going to do Unit 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the first item in Unit 2. It's going to open up to a page. Now, I think what some people are doing, I'm going to move myself here, I think what some people are doing are saying, okay, there's some videos here and there's some words here. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And so some people are clicking next, 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 and going through everything without completing each section. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that if there's a video, watch that video, take notes with a pencil and paper, take notes, do the problems with the video, okay? Here's another video. I'm going to watch it, take notes, maybe pause it, maybe rewind it, whatever I need to do. Again, same thing. Okay, now here we go. Here's something in blue, okay? Anything in blue is a hyperlink that's going to link to somewhere else. Everything is in Canvas. So when I click on this is my next item to do. So I'm going to click on this, and that's going to take me to something that it wants me to look at. So here we go. We have, it looks like some nice summarized notes for us here. So I'm going to go through this. I may choose to write some of this down in my notebook as well. Here's some practice as well. So I'm going to do this practice. After I complete everything here, I can close it out, go back to Canvas. Okay, I just did that one. That one's done. What's next in Canvas? This one's next. Okay, so let's go ahead and follow that link. I'm going to follow that link. Now it opens up into some more practice. Okay, so I'm going to go through all of this practice. Once I complete all of this practice, I can go ahead and close it out. I can move on. Okay, I did the first one. I did the second one. Here we go. Now I'm on this one, right? So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to open it up. And I think this one is just some more notes. So I'm going to kind of read through those notes. If there's any practice at the bottom, I'll do those practice. Okay, so that's number 3. And here we go. Here's number 4. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to follow this link and do that practice. Only then, after I've completed everything in this section, I watched the video, I watched the video, I watched the video, I did this, I did this, I did this, and I did this. Now I can click next, okay? And if you go through Canvas in this manner, making sure that you complete everything in this section before clicking next, then you will make sure that you have completed everything, okay? Feel free to always reach out to me. Let me know what kind of questions you have, and let me know how I can help you guys. All right, thanks for watching.